Hey, I'm Tony King. Welcome to Zerion's Tips. Today I'm going to walk you through closing a counter order within Solar Eclipse. With close counter order, I can start here with a widget on my home screen. Just double click on it. Probably going to use a location which will get you into the right printer. On the left hand side you'll see the sales order numbers that are available for you to close out. I'm going to double click on the one that I want. In the middle selection it says collect payment. You can select from an on-account customer, or you could select cash or check. Simply have the customer sign on the right-hand side using the pad, and then you can fill in who it was that signed. If you happen to have this customer wanting him to pay cash, then you can select cash, check, or credit card under the payment method. You can toggle it back and forth between cash and account. If you do select cash, you can just enter in the amount that you're actually going to take for that down below. Notice how it is cleared out the signature now. You've got to redo that. If you toggle it back to on account, then we can go ahead and take another signature. If you need to, you can close out multiple orders at the same time. You just select the yes multiple orders option, and you'll be listed with all of their orders that you could add to this closeout process. Simply have the customer sign, click accept and complete the order, and it will close this order. As you can see with this brief demonstration of close counter order, it's a pretty straightforward process. We can close out a customer, we can get a ship ticket, which is a proof of delivery receipt for them. We can also do it on account, or we can do it with a cash or credit card. Appreciate you watching today. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out.